record this. So top-down analysis, we see that the 6 a.m. 4-hour candle has now flipped on itself. We've got a nice big imbalance inside the open range forming at the top of the previous day highs, which tells us that we are remaining bearish for the time being. We're going to wait for the news to come out. PMI is very, very important. What I'm assuming news will do, will come down, tap the gap, come back, retrace, and then come back down again. Seeing as there are many, many orders inside the gap. So you see we've rejected it once, we'll probably reject it again, come back up, and then flip down. So our SFL will be seek higher, flip, and go lower. In regards to gold, we swept previous day lows. Looking for it to go higher into this daily imbalance up the top. So bias for gold is bullish, but we won't go for gold. We will stick to NASDAQ since it has the better structure at the moment. Gold is very flat, if you can see. Sound is good. Screen is clear. So top-down analysis, start again if you missed it. We will try and take out this gap from previous week, but we won't do it until we take out a little bounce coming off this gap to go higher and then go lower. Remember, Monday's putting the weekly highs or the weekly lows, depends on where it starts, where it heads off. So the weekly candle is just like any other candle. It will open, go to the opposite side, reject at a level, and then continue and extend to the real move on higher time frames. We have 10 seconds for the news to come out. Please do not trade, please. Even after news comes out, let it settle. Let everything be clear. There we go. There's the news. Here's our new 4-hour candle. So we said it will go higher. Sorry, it will tap into this, go higher, and then go down. It will go down either way. Don't touch it. Leave it alone until news comes out. Okay, news is out. Now let's watch. We need some form of retracement now. So our new target for this trade will be the Thursday lows. We're not in the trade yet. We're just going to wait for it to go up first, reject, and then come back through. Let's have a look at the 1 minute. We'll keep it a nice 1 to 6 reward for this. Sorry, 1 to 5. After it rejects, we'll get a level that we can use because invalidation is really up here. We don't want to go all the way up there. There's too much risk on the table. Fibonacci. One, two, and three. Pinpoint entry. There we go. Take profit one almost. By the way, if you took the QQ puts that I sent out the other day, you should be printing as well. Yeah, don't listen to Brad. He can't even make a par 5. On a clear day. I don't. I'll never get that. Well done. Now stop touching the trade. Just leave it. Leave it. So we've got our SFL. We opened, seeked higher, flipped on itself. Now for the extension of the candle body to the downside. How do you go 1 point, not even 1 point? No, less than a point from TP. Anyway. You know what we're about to do at TP1? Not yet. TP2? Why? Some people get out at TP1. I'm going to be very, very accurate with this. Believe it or not, somebody told me, oh, it's not exactly to the line, so it technically didn't hit TP. So you get one of those. Yeah, he's stocking up on the Apex accounts. $40 activation fee. Suppose. Why would you? Why would you not? Where is? I'm not responsible for the gold trade. The gold analyst is going to be doing that. Maybe you should hop on stage if he wants, if he's free. There he is. Hey, mate.
What's up? What's up?
Hey.
Sorry, I'm a little sick. Just a heads up.
That's all right. Yeah, I figured you'd be on live already.
Ugh, I've had the flu like the past week.
Yeah, it's all right. You'll be all right. Nothing some prophets can't fix.
Yeah, I literally got stopped on gold by a tick, so I'm just waiting for it to come back to that 4-hour entry.
That's your trade. I'm not going to comment. You're in charge. I think some people are going to take both trades, or they're in both trades.
Gold coming through right now.
Give it an alert. What is NQ doing? Just take the bloody take profit point. Yeah, here we go.
Alright, then I'm gold again, guys.
Gold is in. Throw out an alert for him, please. Red to green. I've heard that one before. Is it green green or just barely in the green again? Need you to push through. Keep it. Let the profits roll in. Oh, 931. Making some progress there. Oh, this hoodie's annoying with that backrest. Alrighty. I mean, NQ. Great work. 58 points. What's your entry on gold?
4034.5.
4043?
4034.
34. Oh, so I almost had it. Okay, stop loss.
Stop loss is at 4043.5.
It's really close. TP.
TP at bottom of London low 4003.2.
4003.
3.5 risk reward.
4003. 0.5, you said? 4003.5?
Yeah, 0.2. Or 0.3 actually. 0.2.
Beautiful trade. Look at that. Come on, guys. Who's going to give you two trades at once? We do every day. Simultaneously.
Oh, wow. This NQ is ripping.
Yeah, I think it was in the live stream. Someone in the live stream is also insider trader.
plus 2 positions.
Reveal yourself. 169 points for TP2. It might reject just the top of it because of that gap. So now feel free to adjust your stops if you want. Bring it down to 159. It's pretty much the bottom of the open range. The bottom half of the open range.
STP1 on gold, guys.
Going to be a lot of past accounts today, isn't it? Well done, brother.
Okay. Alright, I think I'll hit on my live account, sign out and everything.
Good work. Anyway, for last week's giveaway winners, you should have got your accounts by now. Ooh, people want some core accounts this week, okay.
Wait, what?
What happened?
Why did my copy trader remove one of the accounts?
Redo, mate. Hop back into InQ.
No.
Yeah, you got your account, Chris and Caden.
Oh, that is so annoying.
All right, still got tomorrow or later on.
Yeah.
Are we really about to be done in half an hour from market after news? We need to start spending some time on these live streams. We just come in, grab the money, and just bounce.
Head out. Alright, guys, have to work.
Yeah, this is ridiculous. This should be illegal. Whole server's maxed out. Exactly. There should be nobody in the red. If you're in the red, I can't help you. If you're in the red after these two trades, I don't know. God would have to send some sort of angel just to walk you through your trading. Mechanical errors. All right. Is that what you call oversizing? Mechanical errors? Is that a Canadian thing, is it? Uh-huh. Which prop firm are you with? Go to your dashboard, go to billing, and there should be activation for COMEX accounts. Have a look. Go to your dashboard. On the left, it says billing. It should be there. Yeah, you only need to do it once. I am done, 7,000 across all the accounts. 7,000. Not a bad day at the office.
To anyone that entered that gold early and got stopped with me, I hope you retook it.
Is it working now, brother? Yeah, with the right risk to reward, you can take the trade multiple times as long as it's the same setup and the same bias. 600 trading market. That's it, mate. Good job. So you're practicing what we spoke about. What were you saying, brother? Armin?
I was reading Steven's. Sorry.
Okay.
I was just reading to myself. Sorry. Wait, so Steven, when you take profit, it will unlink the copy trading. So before every session, just like make sure I enable everything. Is that what you guys do too? On Trade Tinker, at least. Okay. Because I did cash out. That was okay. Replicanta? I've been using Trade Tinker just because it's easy.
Trade Tinker is so much easier.
It is so easy. It's just like the interface was just the second I looked at it, I was like, okay, I can understand it. I can get with this.
Depends how many accounts you want to copy trade. 3 prop firms or 3 accounts? So 3, oh yeah, that's fine. So what you do, you can have up to 10, you can trade, is it 10 or 5? Yeah, I'll send you the link. Wow, look at this gold trade. Nice work, my friend.
Beautiful. It's your strategies, Cap. I just work here.
You've actually just improved. You've improved so well, proving yourself over and over again.
I appreciate it.
Aw, thanks, mate. All right, I think it's time, guys. It's definitely time. Gold shorts, absolutely slamming those bearish candles, going crazy. NQ about to hit TP2 for 169 points. Of course, we are live. Count of 3, CPT, 1, 2, 3, CPT. Let's go. Everybody's winning today. There's absolutely no reason for anyone to be in the red. 2 trades, bringing in the money. Look at that. Love it, love it. Where else would you rather be? Both using the same strategy. Same strategy. Just open 10 a.m., seek higher, flip on itself, extend to the next high time frame target. In this case, it will be the Thursday lows. Same thing with gold. Open, seek higher, flip on itself, extend to the next target, which will be the high time frame lows. Simple, man. I love this place. You guys are the best. Yeah, so You guys come here often? Let me get my food. Big Daddy payout day. Oh, I'm getting payouts now, are we? Look at that. Look at you. Every damn week. Every damn week after joining the academy. Lifetime effect. You didn't believe me when I told you? Oh, this is good. Yeah, you guys know what's up. This is called HSP. There we go. Do you see it?
The snack bag.
The snack pack. Halal snack pack. There we go. Some chicken, meat with fries under and some sauce. You can't blame a guy for being skeptical. I told you, you're gonna know. You'll know about it. And you grab pretty much the last couple of spots. There is only two. So whoever's still skeptical, come and find out and get scammed in the academy just like Stephen. Who's getting payouts every week now. I'm going to mute the microphone so you don't hear me munching. Yeah, so remember when I told you it might do a little retracement just above TP2? And that's exactly what it did there. Now, when it bounced on that level before, that's where the gap started. So let me explain to you what gaps are. So gaps are an overwhelming surge of orders that the other countering side cannot absorb. So it leaves a gap. Now, every time price comes back to that, remember there's a surge, there's a big cluster of orders. When price comes back to those cluster of orders, if it doesn't have enough to absorb it, it will bounce again. It will keep bouncing and trying to take more and more of it until it breaks through. So what it did now, it bounced, retraced to an imbalance, and now it'll come back through. But like I said, you know, you've got 124 points here. Oh, don't do that. And 182 ticks on gold. Gold is well on its way down. It's already taken, it had a gap in the morning. It opened with a gap to the downside. It took it completely. So it's really insignificant at this stage. Now your stops or whatever you want to do, it should be in break even or in profits. After you close the trade or your stops get hit, close the charts and enjoy your day. Now a lot of you will come back and try and trade more. In English, it's called greed. And that's probably the reason why a lot of you still haven't gotten payouts or end up missing payouts by one day or so. That's literally it. Done. Yeah, well, it's almost 3 a.m. where we are, so you can go to sleep now, Knight. Well done. He lives down the road from me, by the way. Or not down the road, you know, like a couple of areas down, but yeah. There's nothing better than enjoying your day after you followed your rules and everything worked out so good. Like the rest of the day is just, the air feels lighter, you know, you're more happy. Trading outcome shouldn't affect your mood, but we're humans. All right, I'll leave you guys to it. I'll let you manage your trades. Your entry still valid. Missed the trades. You missed both trades. Ooh. For the gold trade, I'm not sure, to be honest. I think we are going to flip bullish for gold. I'll tell you why we might flip bullish. We have not taken out the previous day highs as of yet. So we could go higher into all of these levels. Re-entry for NQ. I want you to pay attention to what it does when it comes back to 26139 or at this imbalance. If it rejects this imbalance, expect to entry back down to 984. So expect it to hit either here and reject or hit here and reject. But do not oversize. Do not oversize. As we know, if the 4-hour candle has already started to extend, it's going to remain that way until it hits the high time frame target. In this case, it hit the gap. So the gap is not really a high time frame target. It's just a cluster of orders that it has not broken. So it needs a lot more volume to push through. So it'll try and keep attempting to knock it down. So have you seen, like in the old movies where they have that battering ram and try breaking down the door? They need to go back and then come back through. They need more energy. That's exactly what's trying to do with the gap. Either way, there's your re-entry. Either at this imbalance or at the 4-hour open price. If you miss the move, don't force it. Enter lightly and then add to it slowly. Try not to go higher than 3 micros. It's still Monday. Markets are sluggish. I mean, the whole day has been within... that's pretty good range, 250 points. But it could go a lot better. We have another big gap down here. Either way, if you're still holding, well done. If you're looking for re-entry and you've been listening, there's a double top. Now we go to the 1 minute. Look for a small pullback. Doha, there's your entry there. Very small stop loss in this case, and the same TP3. Got it? So wait for it to retest. Grab it on the way down. Have fun. Take care. All right, guys, that's it for me on the live. Easy day, as always. Stress-free money. I'll start the giveaway for this week. You guys look like you want a 3 or core accounts in this case. I'll get that sorted for you. Anyway, much love. Thank you for joining. Appreciate your time. And please, if you made money, well, firstly, post your profits. Secondly, don't trade anymore. That's literally it. Keep doing that over and over again. If you lose, you have a setup, take that setup. The same bias. Don't try and guess the top or the bottom. You have an entry, you have a model that we use, and that model has been very, 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 very successful. I mean, you see it every day. I don't need to try and prove any point. It's literally in front of you every day. Okay, enjoy your day, and I'll see you tomorrow.
I'll be voice chat, guys. Hop in if you want to go over your gold
Yeah.
trade.
Yeah. Voice chat, member VC, it's called. I'll see you soon.